This whole situation is unsanitary and it's bothering me deeply. I mean, truly sparkling. A truly delightful outcome. Your smile right now just makes the whole look come together. I'm thrilled with how this turned out. It's beautiful. You have the perfect Cupid's bow. That highlight looks like actual starlight on your skin. I have to take a picture of this. I love it! The shadow makes them pop. I actually gasped. I can't believe the dimension we've achieved. You look like a classic movie star. Moments like this. It has this beautiful, almost iridescent finish. The final touches are always the most exciting. I'm just so eager to blend this all out and see the result. I'm looking forward to adding that pop of color. I'm ready. I have a feeling this will be your new favorite look. The next step is my favorite part. The transformation begins. The final step is so close I can taste it. I can feel it. The build-up is everything. I have a vision, and it's coming to life right now. Your eyes are sparkling. This is what I call a wow factor. I've used this product 100 times, but on you, it's something special. I'm just, wow! Look at the camera for me. Yep, absolutely captivating. It's so much more impactful than I thought it would be. Your face just lit up. That shimmer is catching the light in the most delightful way. That shimmer is catching the light in the most delightful way. Moments like this. The depth we got in the crease of your eye is fantastic. I'm genuinely amazed at how your lashes hold a curl. The way this blush melts into your skin is just seamless. It's art. Honestly, I'm a little speechless. The suspense is killing me. Let's add that shimmer. I have the perfect idea for your eyes. Just trust me. I've been waiting for this. I'm just itching to get to the finishing touches. I'm on on the edge of my seat waiting to see this finished. Every step is getting us closer to the big reveal. I'm eagerly awaiting the moment I can hand you the mirror. I'm so keen to see the final result. This is where we turn up the volume. Look at how it brightens your entire face. The structure of your face is just a gift. With this blush, this is a look people will remember. I'm so happy with this. The finish is like polished silk. Incredible! I'm so glad we went with this color. You have amazing skin to begin with, but this is just otherworldly. Your eyes are sparkling. Your eyes are incredible. It's just chef's kiss. Incredible! It's beautiful. I can't believe the dimension we've achieved. I'm so ready to see this all come together. The base is looking perfect. Now for the fun stuff. 3, 2, 1, let's go! Let's make some magic happen. The best is yet to come, I assure you. Three, 2, 1, let's go! Let the artistry commence. I'm ready. I can already tell this is going to be a masterpiece. I'm so excited about this lip combo. It's just so pretty, I could cry. This is what I call a wow factor. The way the light catches your cheekbones is just stunning. This lip color transformed your entire face. The way this blush melts into your skin is just seamless. It's got this ethereal quality I wasn't even aiming for, but here it is. Will you look at that? Open your eyes. I love it! Your features are just singing. You look incredible. This is better than I even imagined in my head. Your eyes are sparkling. This is the product that ties everything together. This is prime time for artistry. This color story is going to be everything on you. The creative juices are flowing now. Every step is getting us closer to the big reveal. thinking about the final photo gives me goosebumps. I can already envision the final look. The vision is clear in my mind, just need to execute. This is where the real sculpting begins. It's almost time. Your features are so sharp. The depth we got in the crease of your eye is fantastic. I can already envision the final look. Prepare yourself, because this is going to be gorgeous. I can't wait to see your reaction. I've been looking forward to this appointment all day. I am so excited to put this color on you. Prepare yourself, because this is going to be gorgeous. This glitter is about to change the game. It's going to be spectacular. I've been waiting for this. Let's get this show on the road. This foundation is going to melt into your skin. Just you wait. Just a little more blending, and then the reveal. This will be the cherry on top. I need to see this lip on you now. I'm holding my breath for this next part. This color story is going to be everything on you. This is going to photograph so beautifully.